Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox uh, unexpected error, unexpected client behavior. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First type here Windows update settings, and now just click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and then type here background apps. Now just turn off background apps, and now let's move to the last step. Type here run and type here percent local app data percent and click OK. And after that scroll down until you find Roblox, click on it, then delete those 3 files, click delete, and then go to versions. You need to find here the last updated file. Here's it. Now click on it and you will find app settings, delete it, and that's it. Your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.